Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Acer Nitro 60 gaming desktop, model N60-640-UR26. Click the link below for the best price. If you're looking for a gaming desktop that offers powerful specs, serious multitasking ability, and next-gen graphics, all packed into a sleek, ready-to-go tower, the Acer Nitro 60 N60-640-UR26 is built to deliver. Featuring a 20-core Intel i7 processor, RTX 5060T graphics, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and a fast 2TB Gen 4 SSD, this PC is ready for AAA gaming, creative workloads, and even AI applications, right out of the box. Let's start with the engine powering this beast. Inside, you'll find the Intel Core i7-14700F, a 20-core CPU with hybrid architecture that combines performance cores for heavy tasks and efficiency cores for background processing. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing 4K content, or compiling code, this processor keeps everything running fast and smooth, no hiccups, no slowdowns. On the graphics side, you're getting the new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060T with 791 AI TOPS of compute performance. That means fast frame rates, ultra-detailed textures, ray tracing, and AI-enhanced DLSS3 rendering in your favorite titles. It handles modern AAA games effortlessly at 1080p and 1440p resolutions, and with support for AI features, it's also a great choice for creators using tools like Adobe Premiere, Blender, or DaVinci Resolve. The performance is backed by 32GB of DDR5 RAM, giving you excellent multitasking capability and lightning-fast data access. Whether you're gaming while running OBS and Chrome with multiple tabs or switching between VMs and heavy software environments, the Nitro 60 handles it all. Storage is handled by a generous 2TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, giving you blazing read/write speeds and enough room for dozens of games, large media files, or creative projects. With Gen 4 performance, your system boots in seconds and loads massive game worlds or apps almost instantly. Connectivity is top-notch, too. With Wi-Fi 6 and Gigabit Ethernet, you're getting low-latency online gaming and ultra-stable downloads. Whether you're playing competitively online or transferring files from the cloud, your connection stays fast and reliable. Design-wise, the Nitro 60 features a bold, angular chassis with clean red accents, a compact mid-tower form, and excellent airflow. The internal layout is smartly organized for future upgrades, with room to expand RAM, storage, or even upgrade your GPU later down the line. Cooling is handled by a combination of well-placed vents and intelligent fan curves that balance quiet operation with consistent thermal control, even during long gaming sessions or rendering marathons. Running on Windows 11, this machine is fully compatible with all the latest gaming optimizations, Auto HDR, direct storage for faster game loading, and enhanced security features. To sum it up, the Acer Nitro 60 N60-640-UR26 is a well-rounded gaming desktop that hits hard with 20-core processing, RTX 5060T performance, 32GB DDR5, and 2TB SSD storage. It's perfect for gamers, streamers, content creators, and anyone who wants power, speed, and upgradability in a sleek, ready-to-go package. Click the link below for the best price on the Acer Nitro 60 gaming desktop, and if you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.